wet, humid, damp, or rainy condition on Diwali, 31st October 2024, 5 pm in Mapsa here. It started raining around half an hour back, very lightly, just enough to soak the roads, but there is no force in the rain. So the situation is likely to continue for another week. The main reason is there is excess heat in Arabian Sea, which is causing frequent low areas of depression, formation of areas of depression which are not sufficient to create a cyclone from Arabian Sea. Recently we had Dana cyclone in Bay of Bengal. It will take another 15 days for another cyclone to form.